Buenos dias! Thanks for joining us on our journey from Puerto Peñasco, where we launched the boat, sailing down the Baja California, and eventually crossing the Sea of Cortez from La Paz to Mazatlán. We are Stephanie and Torsten on board of our sailing vessel Fortitude X. It's beginning of November 2023, and we enjoyed some smooth sailing to Bahia Los Angeles, staying in anchorages with melodic names like La Mona and La Gringa. So darling,
Hello?
are you getting sushi ready? You know you have some visitors. After our alfresco dining in Bahia Don Juan, we briefly stopped in Santa Rosalia, featuring a church built by Gustav Eiffel. We enjoyed Playa Santispec, ventured into Mulahe, and then continued our journey to San Juanico, where we were visiting the cruiser shrine.
Getting out of...
Well, we are getting out of San Juanico on our way to Bahia Salinas. Our amazing sailing day was only cut short by a sudden fish on.
Biggest fish so far.
So far, so good. We eventually arrived in Bahia Salinas, and the ruins of the salt operation here are quite fascinating and are open to view after checking in with the caretaker of this little gem. After the solitude in Salinas, we opted for the hustle and bustle in Puerto Escondido. We rented a car for the short trip to Loreto. And this is where we encountered the first shipwreck on our way to La Paz, with way more to follow. Devastation caused by Hurricane Norma in October 2023 was evident. Fortunately, no lives were taken. We reunited with our friends from Avona and Salish Dragon, watched the spectacular Christmas parade, and visited a cruiser's favorite restaurant, El Mesquite, where we enjoyed one of the most incredible Chateaubriands we ever had. Ready for Christmas. I know it doesn't look like it. And then in the middle of everything, we need to get some dinghy repairs done. There's always something to fix, isn't it?
There's always something.
Tell me you love it?
Better than sitting in an office.
What did...
Just in case if you want to upgrade. Yeah. Cheers. Cheers.
Oh, take the tinfoil off. Let them get a good shot.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you guys start. It's like
Little something from the Avona and Fortitude X.
thank you.
Thank you for hosting.
Get crackers more.
Can I roll again?
Yeah.
We parted from our friends after a splendid Christmas in Ensenada del Candelero and went back to La Paz. There was still one item on our to-do list before concluding the year 2023, and that was swimming with the whale sharks. What an unforgettable experience to get close to these gentle giants and a perfect ending for the year. 2024 started under full sails as we crossed the Sea of Cortez in a 250-mile trip to Mazatlan.
Floor and then we have to reglue it.
That's all right. It's a lot of work, isn't it?
It is.
Still having fun?
Yep.
That's good. Marina Mazatlán became our home for the next few weeks as we were focusing on some maintenance work. The dinghy needed some TLC, so did our windlass, the holding tanks needed to be cleaned, and the toilet pumps once again needed some repairs.
towel, based on towel, helping to make our boat nice with Semco.
Don't fool yourself, it wasn't all work. We always believed in work hard and party hard. So Mazatlán Rocks the Beach was just a perfect occasion for us to get involved. We were spending our remaining days in Mazatlán with our friends from Edmonton at the beautiful Sand Castle right at the beach. And just like that, it was time to say goodbye to Mazatlán. Adios, Pearl of the Pacific. We see you again.